Hello. What I have done is I've gone ahead and finished the software to the best of what I have been able to test out. Um, you've already seen that these work through here. I have these. You've seen that these are working. Um, you've seen that this is working, and now I've got where it's adding actual code. This code works. I can copy it out of here, compile it, and it works. And that's the really good part about this. But I'm going to prove it works. So I've even added the C sharp, some C sharp things in here. But I'm going to prove it works by I'm going to find one with a for loop here. And another thing is like this has a scroll bar. This has a scroll bar over here too if I keep adding files. What I found out was I was limiting what was being able to be displayed on the screen. I had it where it only would display 20 lines, and it would error out. Basically, it would. Now I have it where it just keeps displaying more lines of code or more lines on the actual page on this page. But this is a good test to prove that it's if something's wrong, this would have a syntax error when I copy this and I put it into a file. So I'm just going to create a text file, and I'm just going to call it test1.cpp. I have to do that so that it will be a C++ file. I'll edit this, and again I'll copy, and then I'll come over here and I'll paste it. And now I will compile it. It's G++ dash lowercase o, and this is the min.gw compiler that I'm using. The file name is test1, so I'm going to just call this. It'll be an executable called test1, and the file that I'm compiling is this one. And you'll see that it will there it is down here. So I'll go ahead and I can run it from over there, or I can run it from here. I'll do both just to show you that it works. So that works, and that one's not going to work because I'm not opening the program, closing it. Okay, I understand. Um, let's try that. Hmm. Now let's try it. There, now it works. It was actually running earlier. It's just it wasn't pausing, so that I could it'll run from here now. Test one like that, and it has a pause at the end of it. And it was running earlier, except it was closing out because I didn't have something to stop it, so you could see what it was doing. Anyway, so that's working. Um, And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through all the steps to release the software. I'm going to show you what modules need to be loaded, how to go through the Visual Studio things. I'll show you how to just copy and paste the files. That way, everything already has scroll bars. The only thing it won't have is these files right here. You create your own. You can go in here and you'll be able to edit them. If you're on a row that does it, it'll say it'll do this. You can't do anything. If I grab one of these, I can add or remove something from it. I'm not going to do that because I have everything in here I want. But you can create a new file, and then you can add your own things into it. You can add rows like that, and just add more things into it. That would be on the 9th. Say update. Um, oh, I accidentally selected something else. Uh, New So update, and we'll go back here, and that would be the new one I just loaded, and that's what I just loaded. So, and if I don't like something, and I don't have it where you can select multiples, but I can delete it. Delete the one that I don't want. But once it's gone, it's gone. But that's it. So I'll go ahead and release this, and I'll give the code, and I'll show how to do this. It's really easy. It's really easy.